What's going on, YouTube? Real quick, I wanted to show you how I find morning entries for day trades. This is something that I can do on the side to help make additional income, and it only takes a few minutes to get in and out on these strategies. But before we do that, don't forget to go ahead and like this video, share, and subscribe. It really helps grow our channel. It helps us get content out to you and helps us all become better traders together. Also, remember we have a Discord in the description below. You can trade with us in real time and see the positions we're getting in, and that way you can figure out what you want to do for your trading strategies. Okay, so real quick, what I want to do is show you how I use TradeUI early in the morning to find good entry opportunities in the market. And it is one simple strategy. That is looking at StockTwit's top trading stocks. And the reason I do that is because if every other retail trader is talking about these different stocks, then that tells me that I need to pay attention and see what's going on. And because of that, I was able to find two stocks this morning that we can look at for potential trades at the market open. This is implemented on my day trading strategy that you can utilize your own strategies to find what's moving early in the markets. However, one is AEHR, and the reason I'm looking at AEHR is because, if we go to our live news, it looks like they already gave some earning report data and everything was down hard, so they tanked early in the morning. So I'm going to look for a pullback a little bit to fill this gap that's going to happen in the market open, and look for short opportunities based on bad earnings news. We'll see if everything sets up for my strategy to execute that. It may not. That's okay. We want to make sure we're taking high quality trades, not a bunch of garbage trades. And then the next thing I want to show is Disney has some bullish activity. So if I went over back to my chart, back to my TradeUI screen here, we had AEHR was right here, and Disney was right here. So those were two that I was able to see. And if I go back to my chart and I look at Disney, I'm going to go to live news to see what's happening. And it looks like there's just a lot of bullish activity. It looks like some price targets are coming in. So people are finally bullish on Disney again, and they're taking advantage of a longer term dip to ride this thing up. So for me, I would love to see this thing pull back to like $117, maybe $116, and I might be able to scalp that the morning open to make a couple of bucks on our opening trade. Now guys, remember it is like this, when we do day trading strategies, we're not trying to make 50% on a trade. We're only trying to scalp a couple of cents to maybe a couple of bucks. That AEHR play, if it goes back to $12.50, I'm targeting maybe $11.50, so $1 a share. If I buy 1,000 shares, that could be $1,000. Disney, the gap's not that big, okay? We're only looking at a gap of maybe $1, so it looks like on the chart. So I might make $1 a share, but I have to have a lot of money to make that $1 a share. At $117 a share, I gotta have like 100K worth of Disney. Now, am I risking 100K? Absolutely not. Anytime I get in these strategies, I'm looking to risk 2 to 1. So if I'm targeting $1, I only want to risk 50 cents. So if I buy 1,000 shares, I'm targeting $1,000, and I'm only going to risk $500. But you have to have that buying power. And if you want to get more buying power, all you got to do is look at TradeUI, find these awesome setups, and slowly build that account up. Because if you do that, you can become a better trader. You can finally get a consistent watch list that will help you grow as a trader. But guys, I want to do a quick video on this real quick just to show you how you can use the StockTwits tool and the Wall Street Bets tool to give you a good watch list in the pre-market to see what's moving up and what's moving down. Guys, we're ending the video here. Have a great day and good luck trading.